Special delivery.
Let's open it.
What's up, bag bags? We have a summertime haul with a special delivery guest. Let's go ahead and get to it and see what he thinks the summertime haul is all about. Now, if you're new, my name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 Gifts. If you love all things 31, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big like. Once it reaches 100, go ahead and comment down below something, your number, whatever, where you're watching from, and that's how you get entered into the giveaway for 2022. If you want to know about all the fun stuff, wait till the very end of the unboxing, and after my brother showcases what he thinks about everything, I'll show you how you can get some of these things in your hand. So, Ryan, are you ready? First things first is the essential storage tote in summertime slots. Tell me about it, Ryan. What do you think?
Whoa, I like it. It's giving summer vibes. Is that a sloth?
Yes, it
And
is.
it's yellow. I know my animals, but I do not know my color. This is yellow, right?
What do you think? Wear it, work it.
Spacious.
That's gonna be my bag.
Spacious.
Summertime sloth. There you guys go.
Look it. Inside.
Boom. Laminate.
No zipper, nothing. It's just a quick tote.
But it's a laminate, so like if you put some stuff on there, it's wet, you can just wipe it on off.
Exactly. Look at this. Boom. What bag is this, guys? Testing you. Put on the comments if you know what this bag is. And then boom.
Done. Next one. All right, guys, this is the new one. It's a mat with a personalization. So don't forget to show us the personalization, Ryan.
Ooh.
It's right in the front.
What is this?
It's a mat. How does it feel? First of all, people want to.
Soft.
Kind of soft. Okay,
It's
how
soft.
big is it?
It's soft.
Check
Is
out
this
the
the- is this where it
personalization.
says R?
Yes.
Do you guys see it?
R is in coral or peach, and then the trees are in teal. Look how big that is.
Wow. So it's a zipper so that you could actually fold it.
Actually, there's a pocket. Is a big zipper pocket in there? Yes. Oh, I love that. You know, this was my friend.
You're right. Look, peekaboo.
Oh, I see you.
I see you. So what is this good for? Snacks or everything or what?
No, it's to pack the mat in there to make it to
But you
go.
could also put stuff in here too.
So tell us, how does it feel? People want to know how it feels because it's sand resistant.
It's soft. So in other words, how do I feel it? It's almost like you cannot get stuff stuck on this.
It's heavy too.
It is.
Like
it is.
super good quality. Like I feel like
So
it's.
basically, you just like stuff it in here.
Well, I don't know if that maybe this is Ryan's way of folding it. We about to find out.
Yeah.
There it is.
And we are done.
Okay, let's see. Does it
And
zip?
It does, but I gotta make it nicer. But it will zip.
Hey,
Yes.
it
will
works.
zip.
See, nice and compact, right?
Yes.
Will it fit in the essentials tote? Ready, Freddy. All right,
All
next
right,
one.
sloth.
Ryan, you love backpacks.
Ooh, this is coral.
This is the
correct?
new backpack for the summer. Work it, yes. We're going to the beach.
I'm going to the beach.
Check out the personalization. Yeah, so it's,
Look at that. See-through.
how does it feel?
It's very light. You guys need to check this out. You could adjust it right here.
Boom.
There's netting here, so if there's sand that goes in, let it spill away. I see that there is a compartment here. What is this, boys and girls? It's a thermal.
Oh yeah, baby.
So you can have your cool, cold beverages, margaritas, mamacitas.
All right, all of us have been challenged. I got 4 new beach towels. Will they all fit in here?
Let's go.
I think so.
It will.
Oh my gosh. Yes, baby. Hold on. Work
Boom.
it.
Boom.
Boom. Done.
It's done. And look,
Cinch it up. Cinch it up, Ryan.
gotta cinch this baby up. See, look at that. Do you want to hold it like this or like
Put it on
this?
your back. Oh gosh.
All right, next back, boys and girls.
What we have up is another print.
Oh
Boom.
my God, what is this called? A pouch, a clutch?
It's a pouch.
Same fabric. Let's do ASMR. It makes that noise, and
It's
definitely you could put stuff here.
yes, laminate lining inside. What do you think of the pattern?
It's light. What is this? Orange and yellow, rainbows.
Yes.
See?
Rainbows.
Love the smell.
Oh gosh.
All right, next one.
Is our sustainable 2 sizes. This is Dog Days of Summer. Super cute. Sustainable meaning reusable, and you could totally wash them.
I like it. It has a dog, 2 dogs on a beach. You know what's crazy about this? I did not know it's reusable, so that means wash it and reuse them and
Yes.
dry them.
What do you think?
Love the smell. It's rubber.
Some
Are these-
y'all are visual. My brother is smeller.
Yes. ASMR. So you can't hear anything. Yes.
So those are some of the new products for the summer line. If you're loving everything that you're liking, Down below is the mystery hostess link. Get in on it, and then $500 will announce the winner right there for you, okay? We are coming up with a sale, so make sure you stay tuned for all the good stuff. I'll put a video up above to talk to you about the sale where you can grab some of this stuff for 50% off or even more, okay? Now, if you love all things for $1 this month, you can go hide behind the pink bubble and unlock that consultant discount or more. I'd be honored if you join with me and show you the way. Come on, Ryan, for $1. You'll meet us at Impact in July, so I hope to see you there in Columbus, Ohio, and we're gonna bring the fun. Or at least he is.
We all are. Goodbye.
We all are. All right, take care. If you haven't yet, subscribe. See you on Saturday during Bag Baby TV, and check out these playlists that we got going for you. Bye.